Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI. If you were like me and just a little bit hesitant on ordering a box spring from online, well, let me put your mind at ease. This king-size box spring from ZIYOO thoroughly exceeded our expectations. When we received this, I was very curious to see how difficult assembly would be, but wow, we were really amazed at how easy it was. It only took us 20 minutes to put it all together. It comes with an Allen key and wrench, which is really all you need, but we decided to use our power drill instead, and we had this up in no time. What we really like about it is that it's made out of heavy-duty metal. Our wooden box spring was starting to creak, and we really like this one because it doesn't make any noise at all. It has both vertical and horizontal beams, which really gives it that solid structure that we were looking for in a box spring. It stands about 9 inches tall, and I also really like the cover that it comes with. This white portion of the fabric feels really nice and soft around the edges, and because of the type of bed that we have, a small portion of the box spring is visible, so I love that the edges of this cover is all white. So it just blends nicely with my comforter. So put all your worries away. This box spring is super solid and stable. We were thoroughly impressed with its quality, but that's just our point of view.